Hello everyone, it's Sejal and welcome back to my channel Pharma by Seji. I hope you are all doing well. Today I will show you very important tips for the pharma student. How to calculate sample weight from the sachet based on the label claim. This is especially very useful when you have a multiple ingredients in one sachet and you don't know how to calculate sample weight for each active ingredients. So let's start. So suppose I take one 4-gram sachet granules, and in that sachet there is 4 active ingredients. So each active ingredient has a different label claim. So based on the label claim, I will show you how to calculate sample weight. Let's begin. I have to just take random 4 different API with 4 different label claim. So now we have to calculate sample weight for each API equivalent to 2 gram. So let's start with first API. First API is sodium bicarbonate and its label claim is 44.03%. So it's in percentage. Now we have to convert into fraction. So 44.03 upon 100 is equal to 0.4403. So now we have to calculate, we need equivalent to 2 gram sample. Okay, so is equal to 2 upon fraction value and is equal to 4.54 gram. So we have to need 4.54 gram is equivalent 2 gram of sodium bicarbonate for this API assay analysis. Now we calculate sodium citrate anhydrous 15.75% convert into fraction, it's equal to 0.1575. Now we have to calculate 2 upon 0.1575 is equal to 12.70 gram. Citric acid anhydrous, its value 17.88%. We have to convert into fraction is equal to 0.1788. Now equivalent weight I need 3 gram. So 3 upon 0.1788 is equal to 11.19 gram. Tartaric acid, its value is 22.25. Fraction value is 0.2225 gram. Then we have to convert into equivalent weight 5 gram. So 5 upon 0.2225 gram. So is equal to 8.99 gram sample weight we require. So now you can understand how to calculate sample weight from the label claim. And that's it. Now you know how to calculate sample weight based on the label claim. If you like this video useful, then like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.